Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can blur position in Canva. This technique is very useful if you want to draw attention to a specific subject from the photo. In this example, I have this picture, and this is actually not the original picture. I have modified this picture to make this person in particular to be the main focus, while the rest or the background will be blurred like this one. And I think, again, this is very useful if you want to focus the attention to a specific subject in the photo. And yeah, you can use a feature in Canva to achieve that. So let me scroll down to the second page. This is the original picture, and I'm going to show you how you can apply that effect. First, you have to click on the photo and then go to edit. And on the effect section, you want to open the feature called autofocus. So this is the feature that we want to utilize. Now, on the focus position, this is where you have to decide what area or what position the main focus will be. You can click and drag the slider to the left or to the right, and this will determine the area of interest. So area that is covered in purple, in this purple color, represents that this is going to be the main focus. As you can see, if you move the slider to a different location, it usually will focus to a different area. Remember that this is actually AI interpretation, so sometimes it might not be correct. It's not going to be 100% correct. It's not going to be fully accurate. As you can see, the hair of this woman is not being detected because it's very detailed. So yeah, you have to understand that. But I think most of the time this is working just fine. So I'm going to focus on this man in particular, the man in the front. And when you're done, you can release the mouse, and then you can adjust the blur intensity. This will decide how strong the blur effect is going to be. You can make it light, you can make it very strong. And of course, this is adjustable, okay? This is something that you can change the setting anytime you like. For example, I want to put the focus on the man on the back. Okay, it's maybe around here. Now, as you can see, the two people at the front, now they are blurred. Again, it's not very accurate because this is just AI doing the work. But I think this is just looking great to make the people in the back to be the main focus. So when you're done, you can close this tool and the effect is applied. So yeah, that's how you can blur position in Canva.